In this section of the course, we're going to have a look at Google Documents and how we can manipulate those. Let's create a workflow, and I'm going to add in trigger, manual, and then let's go straight for Docs. And I'm going to select Google Docs and we'll select Create Document. So if we just go down the options, we select our credentials, we are on the document resource we want to create. We can select our drive and the folder. I'm going to put this in the root folder, and then let's just call this one Hello from N8N. Let's close this and we'll execute the workflow. Okay, successful. Let's go to the drive and refresh. And there's the Hello from N8N. I'm going to grab the document ID from there. Don't need that final /. Grab the document ID, and then we'll go back to our automation. And now I'm going to delete that document. I'm not going to create one. What I want to do is I want to get a document. So go back to Google Docs and get a document, and I'm going to paste in the document ID of the document we just created. So let's run that. Okay, that was successful. Now I want to update that document. So let's add in another Docs. Click Update Document. So document credentials, document update, and we're going to paste in fact, what we can do, we can drag in the document ID from over here, from the Get a Document node, and then come down and it says, what do you want to insert? I want to insert text. We're inserting into the body of the document, and we're inserting it at the end of the specific position. Let's just type in something here, hello world, and let's save and let's run it. So it's getting the document and it's updating it. If we open the document, it now says hello world. All right, let's make it a little bit more interesting. I'm going to delete that connection, move this apart, and then let's add in an AI agent. We are going to just close that for a moment, make sure it's connected. Then this is connected to this one. I'm going to add in an alarmer. An alarmer is running on my computer. So we're going to choose the E2B. And then in the agent, I am going to select define below so I can actually write the prompt myself. And let's type, can you tell me the funniest knock joke that you know? Okay, can you tell me the funniest knock joke that you know? Now, in the update document, we have this AI agent coming into it. We haven't run it yet, so we don't know what variables are there. Let's execute that node. And we can close this and open up the logs to have a look. All right, so can you tell me the funniest knock joke? And then the information is down there. We now have the variables. So if we come back to the update document, what I want to do is I want to update it not with hello world, but with the output from the AI agent. So we can put that in there. And then we can run the AI automation. It's getting the document, it's finding the funniest knock joke it's got, and then it's updating that document that we created in the initial step in this video. Okay, it says there's a problem. Let's have a look. Well, let's reset that. Get a document. We want the document ID. Let's put that in there. And let's try again. Sometimes you'll get little errors like that. You just need to go back and, if necessary, reselect the variables. Okay, that's gone successfully. Let's go over to hello from N8N, and we have the document now. It's added this directly after what we'd added in the first bit, which was hello world. So thinking process, and this is done in Markdown, so that's why we've got asterisks everywhere. We've even got some little emojis there. Knock knock, who's there? Lettuce. Lettuce who? Let us in, it's cold out here. It doesn't get much better than that, does it? Just a word about Markdown, and that is if you want your Google Docs to work with Markdown, come up to Tools, come down to Preferences, and make sure Enable Markdown is selected, and then click on OK. And if I copy that and cut all that text, and then right click and then paste from Markdown, you can see it is actually formatted. And that's the way I set mine up. So in this video we have used a node to create a Google document. We have then got that document from Google Drive. We've used an AI agent to create some text, and then we've inserted that text at the end of the document. This is just a little example about getting documents, creating documents, updating documents. In the next video, we're going to look at something that perhaps has a practical application. We're going to use N8N to create an article outline that we could then use to generate a full article.